Want to replace the motor of your coffee machine? With these steps, you'll have it done in no time. What do you need? Pliers, a screwdriver, and a new motor. Step 1. Remove the casing. Start by unscrewing the screws at the back and remove the back panel. Then take the water reservoir out of the appliance. Next, slide off the sides of the casing. Now unscrew the screws from the top and front of the casing. When you remove the top, be careful to gently disconnect the earth wire. Step 2. Remove the old motor. First, remove the brewing unit and unscrew the screws behind it. You might want to take a photo so you know where everything goes when putting it back. Then unscrew all the screws of the motor and disconnect all cables. Now take the old motor out of the appliance. Step 3. Install the new motor. Place the new motor in the same spot as the old one and screw it in. Then reconnect all cables to the correct connections. Tighten the holder of the brewing unit and put the brewing unit back in place. Step 4. Put the casing back on. First, reconnect the earth wire and put the top of the casing back on. Screw the screws in tightly. Then click both sides back into place. Finally, put the back panel back on and screw those screws in tightly as well. You've replaced the motor and your coffee machine is ready to use again.